Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And are you currently a gamer and your PC is still using the old hard disk drive? And as you guys know, hard disk drive can be really slow, especially in nowadays games, alright, requires, fast data transfer speed, alright, and if you're still on hard disk, alright, the game will run slow, alright, you are having low FPS as well. And if you want to change to an SSD, you have to reinstall Windows, reinstall back all the drivers, everything. It will take a long time and it's very time consuming, and you wouldn't want that as well. So if you're a gamer and you want to upgrade from your hard disk to SSD, alright, without reinstalling Windows and reinstalling, all your drivers, what is the other ways out there? Well, today I'm going to show you a way that I personally used, alright, last time when I'm upgrading from a hard disk drive to a solid state drive, alright, for my gaming needs. And it has been really simple and straightforward. So how am I supposed to do that? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the 4DDiG all-in-one disk partition manager. Alright, so this one actually helps me clone from a hard disk to a solid state drive instantly, like a one-to-one clone. And then once I'm into the SSD, I just boot up the SSD and my PC is exactly where it's left off, so I don't have to reinstall everything back, don't have to waste time reinstalling all the drivers back. And trust me, it's very tedious and it's really time consuming. I did once before and never again, because that took me 2 days just to get everything back to where it's supposed to be. So with this, with just a simple click, alright, I can exactly clone my hard disk all the way into my new solid state drive. And if you're out there looking for the same solution, well, then you're in luck, because this is the software that I've used and has been working really well without any issue at all. So you guys want that software that's safe and reliable, alright, this will be the one. And right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself and what are the features this thing has. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself, and it has a lot of features as well. So this not only does help to clone this, alright, it can also help to do backup as well. So if you have a lot of important data and important files and you want to back up, to a new hard disk or new solid state drive, you guys can use this software as well. You guys can also convert, alright, from MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR, and this has been really one of the helpful thing, because as you know, I have a few desktop PC, and when I want to install Windows 11, most of it will be in MBR, alright. And MBR is not suitable for Windows 11 because they won't let you install Windows 11 on an MBR drive, alright. And if you want to need to convert it to GPT, you have to go through a lot of Windows host process, and you have to be really well known into computers, alright, in order to convert it. And it's been it can be quite risky as well if you don't know what you are doing, alright, and it might even damage your disk. But with this one, you can just one click and convert it from an MBR drive into a GPT drive for you to install Windows 11. So this can be a really helpful tool if you are currently stuck with an MBR drive. You guys can use this as well. Alright, we also have partition management as well. As you guys can see, I have a few different disks as well, and you guys can you guys can see all are in MBR and these are in GPT. Alright, so you guys can also use it to like migrate data and split and format certain drive and partition certain drive. Alright, so that maybe this is like currently now is on the E drive, and I want to partition it to like have two different drives. Alright, one, so because it's a 2 terabyte drive, if I want to do partitioning, I can have 1 terabyte each. Alright, so I have the E drive and maybe a G drive. Alright, but it's saved on the same hard disk, so you can have like different partition as well. Alright, but right now I'm going to skip everything as it is because I have a few important files over here that I don't want to touch it. Alright, but yeah, these are things that you guys can do. You guys can also fully erase a hard disk drive if you ever need to. We also have partition recovery. For example, if you accidentally deleted a partition and you want to get it back, you guys can use this as well. Alright, you guys can also upgrade and downgrade Windows versions directly via this software itself, and they have certain other toolkits that you might need or may need in the future, or are over here. But today we will be focusing on clone OS disks. They also can clone data disks, clone different partition as well, and also can do application migration as well. Alright, so to clone OS disks, you guys can select where you want to clone it for. For example, alright, I have like my C drive currently right now. For example, just take this as my C drive is a hard disk or my old hard disk, okay, and I can clone it directly to a brand new solid state drive. You guys can see over here, probably like to this one, and just click on next. Alright, and you guys can see, alright, after selecting which, so this partition I want, and I can partition the size and just click on start, and it will start cloning exactly from my previous hard disk, all right, to my new solid state drive. So this is very, very simple and straightforward, and you guys can see, all right, you guys can just, with just a two clicks of a button, you guys can get a brand new SSD with the exact same things, all right, you need on a new drive, and you can just boot up your system on a brand new SSD and continue with your game and such. Everything will still be there, exact one-to-one copy. Really useful. Or you can use this to create like multiple copies of the same system. Like I don't know why you would need that for, unless you're like multiple research thing. I have no idea, but you guys can clone multiple one and have like a few different PCs of the same operating system and all the drivers and everything. So you guys can have fun with it. So yeah, it's a really useful tool that you guys can do a lot of things that you need with your PC, your hard disk, and your SSD. All right, this is like your data center for all kinds of things right over here. So yeah, if you guys want a really easy way to directly clone your operating system from a hard disk to a new solid state drive to improve your gaming performance, all right, to increase your FPS, all right, without the need to reinstall every single drivers and reinstall Windows back, setting up, configuring everything, well, this will be the perfect software for you, the 4DDiG Partition Manager. Alright, so you guys want to check out this Partition Manager. Alright, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right now. And I can guarantee you will be really satisfied with the time saved, the result, and the reliability. Okay, so there's a lot of software out there, but some of them may even damage your hard disk if it's not like those reliable ones. Like there's some issue and they might not even clone properly, which I used them before. Alright, and it doesn't even clone my solid, like it doesn't even clone properly. Right, a lot of files got corrupted, this and that. So if you want something that actually clone perfectly without any issues afterwards, all right, this will be the perfect software for you. So once again, I'll link this 4DDiG Partition Manager, the first link in the video description down below, for you guys to go ahead and check it out. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If I find today's video really helpful and really interesting and did help you solve your issue, let me know in the comment section as well, and do give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.